Hi dear all students, how are you? Yesterday's video we already started a subtraction mix problem and I took two solved problem which are in numeric form. Now today I will take one more word problem which is already solved on page number 14, is already solved here on the same page student with the two methods, method 1 and method 2. I will take one of that which you feel easier. Afterwards you may go through both. I will read problem now dear all. Example number 3. The total amount spent on building a certain house was rupees 87 lakh 14,530. Of this amount, rupees 24 lakh 72,615 were spent on buying the plot of land. Rupees 50 lakh 43,720 on the construction material and the rest on the labor charges. What was the amount spent on labor? See student, what is meaning of such problem? It is important to understand meaning. I will explain the problem now to you. What is meaning of that problem? See student, a house building to certain house, construction amount total required is 87 lakh 14,530. पूर्ण ते घर बांधण्याचा संपूर्ण खर्च आहे हा दिलेला. दिस इज अ टोटल इन्व्हेस्टमेंट, टोटल रिक्वायरमेंट. फ्रॉम दॅट this 24 lakh 72,615 was spent on buying the plot of a land. आधी जागा घेण्यासाठी एवढे पैसे लागले to buy land. Then this amount is required for construction material. बांधकामाचं सामान, सिमेंट, विटा, कॉन्क्रीट हे सगळं घेण्यासाठी लागणारं सामान एवढे पैसे लागलेत 50 lakh 43,720 and more amount is required. रेस्ट म्हणजे उरलेली जी रक्कम आहे या अमाऊंट मधली, दॅट इज लेबर चार्ज, कामगारांना दिलेला पैसा, ते काम बांधकाम करण्यासाठी येणाऱ्या मजुरांना दिलेला पैसा. सो दॅट इज कॉल्ड ॲज अ लेबर चार्ज. सो द क्वेश्चन इज देअर, व्हॉट वॉज द अमाऊंट स्पेंट ऑन लेबर. तर त्या माणसाने XYZ व्यक्तीने लेबरला किती पैसे दिले. I hope you understand student meaning of a problem. What is our question? So first your duty is to read the problem 2 times. Because of this reading you will understand our given data and what is asked. So from reading now question, will write down given data. I will solve now this question on notebook. You will properly observe and follow to me. See student, here I will write now given data. Total amount required is here 87 lakh 14,530. Then here land, जागा घेण्यासाठी लागलेले पैसे, you can say land amount is 24 lakh, here you give unit please, rupees 24 lakh 72,615 rupees. Then next is construction material cost. construction materials cost is here 50 lakh 43,720 rupees, and labor charge we don't know, so that is, so the question is here, what is labor charge, student? So a simple method is that this much amount is estimate amount, हे ठरलेला खर्च आहे संपूर्ण घर बांधण्याचा, जागा घेण्यापासून. तर this amount is invested on land purchase and this amount is invested on construction material. So we add these both first. So simple one method is, student, here we have to add this two amount. Whatever answer of this addition, we have to subtract from this amount, and that will be our final answer. So student, this upside amount is called as a total amount, means in this amount we have to adjust all things. We decided आपल्याकडे एवढेच पैसे आहे आणि ह्या एवढ्याच पैशामध्ये आपल्याला घर बांधायचं आहे, जागा घ्यायची आहे, सगळा खर्च करायचा आहे. त्याच्यासाठी होणारा खर्चाचं प्रमाण आपण खाली घेतलंय आणि मग लेबरला किती पैसे द्यावे लागतील हे काढायचे. अंडरस्टँड? सो our first step will start. We have to add this land amount and construction amount. So write, keep place for carry for addition since. So write this all the digit in a proper way with the proper distance and add them from left to right. So student, here start adding 5 plus 0 5, 2 plus 1 3. If carry not there, don't give purposely. 6 plus 7 13. So 3 is here, carry will be 1. 3 plus 2 5 plus 1 6. 7 plus 4 11. So carry 1. 4 plus 1 5 and 5 plus 2 7. So 75 lakh. The answer of first step you will write here. This is your answer of first step. This is amount of land purchase and construction material. Now we must give labor amount. So how much labor amount? Remaining all is our labor amount. So second step, leave two places, two lines for borrow. Write the total amount, पूर्ण खर्चाची रक्कम with a suitable distance, and subtract this first answer from this. In exam, this should be without any confusion, dear all. So you should have better practice of this. Now do the subtraction from this side. Don't by heart problem. First addition, then subtraction. No. Understand meaning and then adjust your actions, either plus or minus. 0 minus 5 not possible. So 0 become 10. 3 give 1. So it become 2. 10 minus 5, the answer will be 5. 2 minus 3 not possible. Again 2 become 12, double borrow place, 5 become 4. 12 minus 3 become 9. 4 minus 3 become 1. 4 minus 6 not possible. 4 become 14, 1 become 0. 14 minus 6, write your answer 8. You do all these calculations by your rough work, student. Please follow that. 0 minus 1 not possible, dear all. So 0 become 10, 7 become 6. Do one step, so no mistake. 10 minus 1 9. 6 minus 5 1. No borrow. 8 minus 7 possible 1. So your final answer is here 11,98195 rupees. Give comma 1 2 3 comma 1 2 comma. Now read the answer line. Number 11,98,195 rupees is your answer, that your labor cost. This is amount you will require for payment of labor. कामगारांना पैसे द्यायचे, कामावर येणाऱ्या त्यांना तुम्हाला किती रुपये खर्च करावे लागेल एवढे बांधकाम होण्यापर्यंत? दॅट आन्सर इज 11,98,195 एवढे पैसे आपल्याला कामगारांना द्यावे लागतील. सो स्टुडंट, this is your answer of question, and can you connect this answer with your regular life, student? How maths is useful in our regular life? With the help of this maths word problem, you will get your day-to-day's question answers. कोणत्या कामासाठी किती खर्च लागेल, कुठे बांधकाम करताना किती खर्च लागेल, ही आपल्याला आधी आयडिया येते आणि मग आपण पैशांची ऍडजस्टमेंट करू शकतो. पैसे कमी पडले तर आपण ऍडजस्ट करू शकतो. सो वी विल गेट आयडिया फॉर अवर बेटर लाईफ इन एनी एरिया. Maths make our life comfortable. This you are learning today, which is best for tomorrow. So student, I hope you understand today's explanation, today's solution of problem. I will not give any homework to you today to solve problem. You solve the same problem with your own mind, but only one homework I will give student. That is, save our time when video will start. See, your last our practice set we are going to start, student. Problem set 13, which have 1, 2, 3 and 4 word problems. This I will take every word problem in one video. I will complete one problem definitely. But your work is today's homework. Write down this question in your notebook. One page, one question, like this way. One page, one question you write down. Only question writing, I'm saying question, and leave the place for answer. Turn the page of your notebook. Write next question. Leave the place for answer. This will helpful to us to save our time. So this all problems set number 13. All 4 problems you keep writing on 4 pages. If your notebook, short notebook, you please leave 2 pages for answer, for suitable writing, or at least 1.5 page. Leave according to your way of writing. Now take idea from the first problem and you will do the needful. I hope you understand this mixed problem video in a nice way. Purposely I took 3 videos for 3 solve problem. They gave answer in the textbook, but I explain you like a teacher, by your teacher's side. So we'll continue from next video for problem set. Till that time, be safe, have a nice day, take care. Thank you, bye bye.